people's ability to save money is more in their control than they might think. Let me convince you to save money. It won't take long. But it's an odd task, isn't it? Do people need to be convinced to save money? According to Morgan Housel's observation is that, yes, many do. Past a certain level of income, people fall into three groups. Those who save, those who don't think they can save, and those who don't think they need to save. Everyone needs the basics. Once they're covered, there's another level of comfortable basics. And past that, there's basics that are both comfortable, entertaining, and enlightening. But spending beyond a pretty low level of materialism is mostly a reflection of ego approaching income. A way to spend money to show people that you have, or had, money. Think of it like this, and one of the most powerful ways to increase your savings isn't to raise your income. It's to raise your humility. When you define savings as the gap between your ego and your income, you realize why many people with decent incomes save so little. It's a daily struggle against instincts to extend your peacock feathers to their outermost limits and keep up with others doing the same. People with enduring personal finance success, not necessarily those with high incomes, tend to have a propensity to not give a damn what others think about them. So people's ability to save is more in their control than they might think. Savings can be created by spending less. You can spend less if you desire less. And you will desire less if you care less about what others think of you. And you don't need a specific reason to save. Some people save money for a down payment on a house, or a new car, or for retirement. That's great, of course. But saving does not require a goal of purchasing something specific. You can save just for saving's sake. And indeed you should. Everyone should. Only saving for a specific goal makes sense in a predictable world. But ours isn't. Saving is a hedge against life's inevitable ability to surprise the hell out of you at the worst possible moment. Savings without a spending goal gives you options and flexibility, the ability to wait and the opportunity to pounce. It gives you time to think. It lets you change course on your own terms. Every bit of savings is like taking a point in the future that would have been owned by someone else and giving it back to yourself. Create a budget, determine how much money you bring in and how much you spend, and then look for ways to cut back on unnecessary expenses. Live below your means. Try to avoid lifestyle inflation, where your spending increases as your income increases. Instead, try to save a portion of any raises or bonuses you receive. Set specific savings goals. Decide how much you want to save, and for what purpose.